Kintroff here with Carolina Fitness Equipment, and I wanted to share with you today our most recent install of our Dynabody equipment. And I'm at Wilmington Christian today at their weight room. We recently installed all of their power racks, and just wanted to share the uniqueness of these racks from the color scheme, which you can create your school colors or any favorite team color you might have. We can accessorize them with landmines, safety arms, custom head wraps, custom logos, again, custom colors, and these dip stations are another nice feature and extremely durable. So if you're interested in finding out more about Dynabody, contact us today at Carolina Fitness Equipment.
Hey, Trent Mongero here from Wilmington Christian Academy. I am the current assistant athletic director and head baseball coach. I'm also in charge of the weight room and developing an athletic fitness plan for our athletes. So we had a very primitive weight room, to say the least. It hadn't been updated in probably, 30 years. We knew if we were going to get serious about our athletics and our overall student development, not just the athletes, we had to make a change in the weight room. And we started seeking out different companies, looking at different products, and the one that stood out the most to us was Carolina Fitness Equipment. And working with Steve over there, and just, not only the price, but just the fact that they were on top of things, they were, got everything to us as promised, and then help us design a weight room that was functional for us. We felt like Carolina Fitness Equipment certainly handled that the best, and it's been a tremendous working relationship so far.
Dynabody, made in the USA.